Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel checkpeople.com subscription, or you can say membership. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Method 1. Cancel your checkpeople.com subscription via calling. You can request to cancel your membership by giving us a call at 800-267-2122. Once you get connected, let the representative know you want to cancel your membership. They will cancel your membership. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel your checkpeople.com subscription via email. You can also send an email to checkpeople.com regarding your subscription cancellation. Open the default email application on your device and compose an email. In the subject box, add cancel checkpeople.com subscription. Then provide details of your request and also give your membership and personal information that they may require for your subscription cancellation. When you are satisfied with the email, send it to support@checkpeople.com. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your checkpeople.com membership. If you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.